So today I tried for the first time the disposable flexible cystoscope from Pusen. It's really a great scope. We know Pusen pioneered the flexible ureteroscope. Many of us are using it. Now I used today for the first time the flexible disposable cystoscope from Pusen. So you can see it's really a very solid scope. You can see the deflection of the tip, which I really like. The quality of the picture was really very good. It was comparable to the digital cystoscope that I've been using. The tip is a little bit, as you can see, wider, I think to accommodate the working, there's a working channel for instruments. So that's the only thing that I have noticed, but I used it today on a patient. It did not cause him any discomfort, so I guess it's not an issue. So as you can see here, this is a tube for suction in case you need an optional suction. It's available. This is the working channel here. It all comes with it. You don't have to take it out. And I use also the disposable forceps to remove the double J stent. It goes through it directly. You can use any forceps. You don't have to use the disposable one, but this is a disposable one that came with it, which is nice. So you can, it's an option to use a disposable forceps with it, or you can use any regular cystoscopy forceps. So congratulations for Pusen again. I think that's really a very good cystoscope. Hopefully the price will be competitive so that we can all start using it in our clinic.